With the US pharma giant Moderna Inc. claiming that its experimental vaccine is effective in preventing COVID-19, it has become the second US firm after Pfizer Inc. to release the late stage trial results. This has raised hopes around the world that these vaccines can help put an end to the pandemic sometime next year if they continue to show that they prevent the disease and are safe. Here's how both the vaccines stack up against each other. Talking about effectiveness, while Pfizer and its partner BioNTech SE claim that its COVID-19 shot is over 90% effective, Moderna has claimed that its COVID-19 vaccine is 94.5% effective. The effectiveness numbers can change as the vaccine studies continue since the early calculations were only based on fewer than 100 COVID-19 cases in each study. On side effects, Moderna in its claim has said the side effects of the vaccine were short-lived and that no significant safety concerns were reported. Pfizer chairman and CEO Dr. Albert Bourla has not said anything specific about the side effects. The commonality lies in the fact that both Moderna and Pfizer's vaccines rely on a technology called messenger RNA. This has not been used till now to develop an approved vaccine. The approach is designed to transform the human body's own cells into vaccine-making factories. The vaccines instruct cells to make copies of the spike protein of the novel coronavirus, stimulating the creation of the protective antibodies, as per Bloomberg report. Though Pfizer did not receive any federal funding to develop its vaccine, its partner BioNTech has received the German government's assistance of 375 million euros, that's $444 million. The pharma firm has inked a deal with the US administration for supply agreement of nearly $2 billion. Meanwhile, Moderna has received financial assistance from the US Operation Warp Speed program, and the US administration has agreed to purchase Moderna vaccine for up to $1.53 billion US. While Pfizer and BioNTech are yet to announce the details which countries will get their vaccine, Moderna has already reached agreements to supply 100 million doses to the US and 80 million to the European Union. As per the Bloomberg report, both Moderna and Pfizer are expected to seek emergency use authorization from the US FDA. While Moderna could seek clearance from the regulators in the coming weeks, Pfizer expects to get 2 months of safety follow-up data in the third week of November. If all goes well, Pfizer could apply for the authorization in the US this month itself. Now, why India could prefer looking at the Moderna vaccine over Pfizer is the fact that unlike Pfizer's COVID-19 shot, Moderna has pointed out that its vaccine is stable at refrigerated temperatures for 30 days. Moderna even claims that its vaccine does not need special facilities like Pfizer, which has said its COVID-19 shot must be stored ultra cold until a few days before it is used. The road ahead would still not be that easy. Despite the claims by both the firms of COVID-19 vaccines' effectiveness, concerns on long-term protection from virus and people volunteering for vaccination remain at large. Increasing production, availability, and distribution are also key concerns.